What's going on, guys? Blender Bench here, and I thought I'd make a quick video showing you guys how I incorporate lighting, color theory, and composition into my Blender scenes. Let's get into it. So the first thing I really want to touch base on is complexity. I see a lot of people are under the false preconception that complexity makes the scene awesome and it works with that. And if it's super simplistic, people will reject it. And that's 100% false. And I see a lot of scenes that are great because they have light logic, they have compositioning, and they have color theory behind it. Right? Now let's break down my Blender scene. So in front of you, you can see that this scene has no complex models. It's just 8 simple props duplicated amongst the scene. Now let's see how lighting affects this. So right now, everything looks super plain. There's nothing going on. But quickly, if you add a light, you see we have highlights and we have a focal point driving your audience to look a certain way. But changing the floor's pattern, you see that if you switch it to a grid, there's a lot more depth and there's kind of a visual of how big this space actually is, as well as the depth of the light behind that right corner. Now, composition wise, this is bad because we have this pole coming from the center, line here. But if you push it to the left, we have a better visual of what's going on interior wise. And you see that there's ropes hanging from the ceiling because that's ceiling light. And then the light outside is highlighting on the floor of the interior. So you can see that damage, that debris, that shattered glass. Right? And this is the color theory now. We see the complementary blue on the left side, orange, red on the right side, and that's good for balance. But at the same time, if you change the hue and saturation to a more monochromatic color like this, it appears to be daytime while keeping and maintaining that level of detail, right? And this is just the light logic behind it with the composition as well. So you can see there's nothing complex going on. It's just a really simple scene controlled by visual presentation. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this simple but very informative video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment if you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next one.